welcome back to another video. In today's video, yes, we are finally going to be working on that beautiful masterpiece that is behind me. 1987 325 e30. So you can see this car is ready basically for a paint job. For those of you who are new to the channel, I bought this car about 2 years ago. It wasn't a slight accident. The radiator support was changed out completely. However, it is a clean title vehicle, so it's never been like to a salvage yard or anything because I bought it off Craigslist. Click on the link above to see the whole playlist of what I've done with this vehicle. As you can see, the engine is in fantastic shape. I'm planning actually to start it and drive it onto the trailer, so we'll see how that goes in a minute. Let me see what else I can tell you. My main goal with this vehicle is to go ahead and paint it original color. I was gonna go with the blue, but I decided to go back and just stay with the original. And after we spray it, I want to modify a few things. Probably more than likely you're gonna see new wheels on right away because I do have new wheels. I need to change all the bushings, I guess, and the mounts, like engine mounts and transmission mounts, to see what shape they're in. More than likely upgrade the suspension. You can see it's not in bad shape at all. So I guess we don't want to rush into things, but we will be upgrading it one step at a time. Let's go ahead and clean out everything out of the car, get this thing all ready for loading on the trailer. So here are all the components that are going to the body shop, and I will go over them real quick. This is the front bumper valance right here underneath. This metal piece needs some body work right here. That needs to be all fixed, and it's metal, so oh man, it's gonna be a good one. This is the bumper, the plastic bumper, a type 2 bumper. Mine came with a type 1, so this also needs work right here. Fenders just need to be primered and looked over again, make sure there's no dinks or anything like that. Those are the 2 fenders. And the rear bumper is going to give us the most problems because this is a type 2, mine's a type 1, so that means this part right here is longer than my body right here, like where the body part goes, or the quarter panel. I don't even know what you would call it, but what I'm saying is if you put that bumper on and match it right here, it'll stick out farther, so it's longer. So one thing we can do actually is remodify it. I was thinking maybe even cutting it and then making it the way you're supposed to, or the proper length. I don't know if that's possible. I guess we'll find out when we get to the body shop. So I'm gonna take this with us just in case. If we can't go with this bumper, I'll figure something else out. It is what it is. One more thing that's missing is the hood, and the hood is at Alltech, so we gotta go pick that up real quick. See this? Negative. And this one is positive. Interesting, huh? Let's connect them. Boom. Boom, and then let's connect the battery booster. Boom. Boom. All right, I'm connected. Let's go ahead and start it. Okay, you got it? Let's go ahead and make our first attempt on starting it. Sorry, spider webs.
Where's your windshield?
Right here. I got power. Hold on. Nah, it's gonna start. It's gonna start. Oh, it started. Start, baby. Come on.
to go get starting fluid, I can go buy some real quick.
Okay, one more attempt starting this thing. Last attempt, guys. Come on, baby.
I'm gonna go get some starting fluid.
Okay, well, he's gonna get the starting fluid. If we get it to work, we'll move it. If not, then we'll just do it like we did yesterday. Use his winch and pull it up in the trailer. I just really wanted to start it. For now, let's go get the booster from the trunk and move this TT. And we'll get the trailer a little back and load all the parts. So let's get right to it. By the way, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, consider subscribing. And please go ahead and click on that big fat thumbs up icon right below the video. Thank you for watching.
Why don't you drive this one?
Still not done. Oh, something started. We're gonna spray some starting fluid, and we'll see if it's gonna start.
Catch on fire.
Hey, careful! Better not screaming like that, yo. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay, hold on. Let me show the starter without it. Get on the tray. Started by now, man. Fuel's not coming in somewhere, I think. No. There's no fuel. Yeah, it's definitely.
Oh, they should have started with this.
Yeah, I think it's just the fuel is not coming in for some reason. So because I don't smell no gasoline and nothing. It is what it is, guys. Man, golly, it's getting dark, and fortunately we couldn't start the car up, and that sucks because that never happened before. Usually start it up. Ah, man, but it is what it is. We just gotta get this thing loaded. Keep it coming. Let me see where you're at. Hold on. Yeah, you're good, man. Just keep it coming. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, I know it's dark, and I'm really upset about the part that the car didn't start. I mean, good thing it cranks, you know? So that's a good thing that it actually cranks, but it could be multiple things. Fuel delivery,
Well, it's not just food delivery, because starting fluid should have at least ran that for a little bit.
So you're thinking that the throttle is not opening properly?
Something, yeah.
Something to do with the throttle. Or no spark. Yeah, I was gonna say the second thing is could be the spark. Guys, it's dark right now. I guess it is upsetting because I wanted you guys to see me drive this thing up on the trailer, but fortunately we're gonna have to pull it up the trailer. All right, you ready? So the same thing. I'll steer, you pull. Excellent. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Cool thing about his winch, it actually works on a remote. So yeah, that is pretty sweet. Yeah. Oh, you got them all up nicely organized. Let me see that. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Nice and organized. Excellent. Oh yeah, and these are the parts that we're ready to load it. Just need to put the hood in here, and we'll be ready to go. So remember, the bumpers are still you know, question mark if the rear one's gonna work or not. The front, I have to go with that one because that is like my favorite type of bumper setup for E30. Yeah, it should be fine. Anywhere lower maybe? No? Like right there maybe? Try that one. Hopefully that'll be a little better and secure.
Is this support original?
No, this is the support that's been... I cut this one out.
Who welded it?
This guy that I... from 2017 or 18. I forgot his name actually, to be honest with you. So support is not original. It is from an original E30, yeah. But it's not like aftermarket or anything. But support is the only thing that's been replaced from all the body work. Okay? Good?
Yep.
Okay, just watch the radiator support. So this is it for today's video. The vehicle is securely strapped to the trailer, and Igor and I will regroup in the morning in Spartanburg, South Carolina, to proceed to the next part of this vehicle delivery to Roman's Body Shop. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the morning. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.